wucewa wannan mene karfi jinjiri wait mutumin ya gane bakin ya gane ka wannan masara shi da baki tara jinjiri to na tana na gaja abun ba kiwa wai ya tsani mutane kan mene sun bar mutane ta kakkashe zana mai jira ita ba bayan kuma na bi zuwa barki a duke mutane so so duke shi duke sojan ba wannan mai ne bai fashe bai ina akwai mu wanda akwai mutum wai akwai wanda ya mutu ina ne
to ga a can ma wancan green wani ma jinjiri ba
ina gani wancan socket wallahi socket ya imagine this one.
It's one of my IQ.
By the DSS and others that this town or Jakarta Piazza 3 p.m. yesterday we had a security report. Yeah, so 3 vehicles were snatched and then loaded with food. And then Maiduguri, the University of Maiduguri to this place is only 8 kilometers. How know is Maiduguri? How know is Maiduguri? So if you cannot protect Maiduguri, what will happen? Kennedy Bono, how man I'm gonna sit down and see how Lakala and Kennedy Bono, what they know what I doing, what they fit I doing. I'm asking all law-abiding citizens to be, all people of Borno State, including the people of Auno, to be law-abiding. They shouldn't take law into their own hands. The federal government under the leadership of President Buhari and the government of Borno State will do everything possible to restore normalcy into this town. Nobody should take law into his own hands. Do you think they don't have a